So I'm going to be doing Britney Spears today, and I'm going to be using some Urban Decay colours. Got this palette here, you can see that. Some beautiful colours on. There's a green there, a bit of gold. She's got a tiny bit of gold in it as well. There's this palette too. Oh, dropped the brush. There you go. Okay, so I've already got my base done. With these palettes, you get a little primer base, which I'm going to pop on first. Just to prime my eyes. I'm going to blend that in. Long-lasting, high-tech colour. And it's called Weeds. And I love it, it's really green. So I'm going to pop that on top. It's Urban Decay Vert. Let me open it so you can see. I'm just going to go all over. And basically the green I was just using as a primer really. Again, so this is going to go all over. I helped out Britney's makeup artist, and she gave me free tickets to go and see the show in London. With my friend James, who knew every word possible to Britney and every dance move. I like Britney. I think credit where credit's due. She's a good entertainer. She mimed most of it, but the one song she sung really nicely. One song. I can't believe that lady has 2 kids. You know, she looked wicked, and that was the start of her tour. She wasn't completely toned. She just looked good. She looked like, you know, a normal person, but her legs are fierce. She's got like so much muscle definition, and her belly was flat, but it just wasn't a six-pack or anything like that. She had such a nice figure. I think a six-pack isn't attractive on a woman. I thought she looked superb. So well done, Britney, for coming back from the depths. We have these colours on here. We've got one, I don't know if you can see them, called Half Baked and one called Baked. And I think I am going to use a little touch of Half Baked. I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to try and use the same brush all the way through. That would be very good. So, Half Baked, I'm going to put... Oh, they come out very strong. Just at the front of my eye. What brilliant colours. So strong. Twice Baked, the brown, I'm going to put on the outer corner just to make it a little bit smoky. And then I'm just going to use that underneath my eye as well, actually. Yeah. Stash, and it's a really dark green. And I am going to use that all the way through my lash line. Ooh. Oh, I really want an ice cream now. I want an ice cream. So the stash under the eye as well. I wonder how Britney felt about carrying a snake in her videos. I would not go. I am absolutely petrified of snakes. I would not go anywhere near one. Blend that through. Just blending that slightly upwards. I don't know if anyone saw America's Got Talent, and that Britney lookalike, who was a fella, was unbelievable. I couldn't believe it. Like, I thought, oh yeah, you wait, as soon as he takes his glasses off, her glasses off, it's not going to look anything like her. That's why he's got them on. Took them off. Unbelievable. Was shocked. My mouth open. Oh. I think that's a nice Britney green, or even just a green smoky eye. It's really nice colours. Then, I'm going to go for the cheeks, and I'm going to use a little bit of, I have two. One's called Fetish and one's called Quickie. Both names that I very much enjoy, or like. Okay, we have got, this is Quickie, and it's quite pinky. It doesn't look so pinky on my screen, but I'm assuring you it's quite pinky. And then we have Fetish, which is a little bit more, I don't know how you would describe it. A bit plummier and a bit browner. I'm going to do one each side, then you can choose. This side I'm going to have a bit of a Quickie. Which is very pretty. And on the other side, a bit of a Fetish. Which is a bit darker. Nice though. Really nice. So we've got two slightly different brushes on. You can choose your, obviously better for paler skin and for slightly more tan skin or darker skin. That'd be lovely on black skin as well actually. So that one's Fetish. Then on my lips, what shall I use? Right, they have these great things. I'm going to show you this pinky one because my boyfriend looks like the little fella in it. Looks exactly like him, it's really funny. My sister's already shown you these, but I think they're wicked. I don't know if you can see them with clothes on. Who wants to see them with clothes on anyway? Every girl needs one. I have one. He's normally on my arm. He looks like that. Not similar body, but after I've fed him up, he's not got such a good six-pack. But and a little bit fairer, mixed race. I think he's black, but equally all gorgeous. And then you've got this one. That one is called, let me have a look, they've got really funny names. Doug. That one's Doug. This one is Julio. And let's have a look at Julio. Julio's holding a kid, which I find a little bit worrying. Don't know if I want to be getting excited. I don't find that too exciting, a man holding a kid with no clothes on. I remember in the 90s when everyone used to have that clock with the man holding the baby. My sister had one in her room and I was so jealous. I wanted a clock with a fella holding a baby. Timothy. Oh yes, Timothy. And Timothy looks gay. So all you fellas that like the red lipstick, you've got Timothy you can have. Shame that that's not clear, because then the guys probably would use it and have Timothy. I was going to give it to my friend Damien, but I don't think he'll wear that colour, unfortunately. Damien, who you've probably seen pictures of me and him dressed in 60s on mine and Sam's blog, he's not my boyfriend. He, lovely and gorgeous as he is, unfortunately would never fancy me in a million years, but he's great fun. I'm going to put a little bit of Doug on my lips because he looks like my boyfriend. I'm not going to use liner. I'm just going to pop him straight on. I'm going to pop him straight on. That's funny. I think you and your girlfriends could have hours of fun taking these out. Look how I smell everything, because they are quite fun. Okay. So I would say that is my Britney inspired makeup. I'm a slave. Or something like that. Obviously much better sung. But then I didn't mime, did I? I sung it straight. Okay guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day.